How to buy C Sigma token. So this token came under the symbol of Sigma. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now this token will be listed on MEXC, so I will show you how to buy this token on your account. So first of all, open your MEXC account. Now, if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down the description and you will be able to find the referral link and create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund your account with some USDT. Now, after that, what you need to do, just click on the search bar and type the Sigma name of that token, and you will be able to find this pair. Now click on it. Wait a few seconds to load this page. As you can see, this token will be live for trading in about 14 hours. After that date, click on limit, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you will be paying over the USDT. Now after that, click on buy Sigma. So this is how to buy Sigma token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.